Welcome to Timeless Hymns and Worship. Today we're taking a heartfelt journey through the greatest hymns of all time, songs that have transcended generations, inspiring worship and bringing us closer to God. Let's dive in. What makes a hymn stand the test of time? It's the power of its message, faith, hope, and love expressed through words and melody. These hymns have been sung in churches worldwide, connecting believers across ages and cultures. Amazing Grace, written by John Newton in 1772, tells the story of redemption and God's unending mercy. With lines like, "I once was lost but now am found," this hymn remains a favorite for its simplicity and profound message. How Great Thou Art captures the awe of God's creation. This Swedish hymn, popularized in English by Stuart K. Hine, reminds us of God's majesty and love through verses like, "Then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee, how great thou art." Horatio Spafford penned this hymn in 1873, after personal tragedy. "It is well with my soul," speaks to faith in God's sovereignty, even in life's deepest valleys. Its message of hope continues to comfort believers worldwide. Great is Thy Faithfulness is a hymn of gratitude for God's unwavering love and provision. Written by Thomas Chisholm in 1923, it's inspired by Lamentations chapter 3 verse 23. "Great is thy faithfulness, morning by morning new mercies I see." Finally we have Holy, 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 a majestic hymn celebrating God's holiness in the Trinity. Reginald Heber's words, paired with John Dykes' melody, create a timeless worship anthem sung by generations. Each of these hymns has a special place in my heart, but one that deeply resonates with me is, "It is well with my soul." Its message of trust in God has comforted me through life's challenges. How about you? What's your favorite hymn, and why? Share it in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. These hymns remind us of the beauty of worship and God's eternal presence in our lives. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the greatest hymns of all time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more hymns on this channel. Let's keep the music and worship alive. See you next time. Screen fades to text, "Timeless Hymns and Worship, bringing faith to life."